Hi guys, it's me, Coach D, and today I am going to be cooking some livers in the Emerald Glass air fryer. So I'm just going to use some lemon pepper seasoning, and then I'm going to use some Pam spray, the spray on top of it, and then I have my flour here, and then I have deliver. They are on the napkin because you can't air fry with the food being wet. So we're gonna sprinkle it up here, sprinkle this good seasoning up here right quick. And then I'm gonna take the liver after I season it and put it over here in the flour. So I'm gonna try to lean this camera just a little bit so you guys can kind of see. I don't know if it's gonna fall. I hope not. Nah, it's not gonna work like that. So what I'm doing is taking this and I'm just taking the liver and I'm just putting it in the flour. That's all. So flour this guy on up here. I am not too big on seasoning and salt and all that stuff. So if you want to add that in yours, that is fine. But for me, that's enough. So I'm not gonna put that in there. Lemon pepper is good enough for me. So now this rack here, I'm going to spray with the Pam. I'm gonna wipe my fingers off right quick so my thing won't get all sticky with flour. And then I'm gonna go ahead and spray that so that the food does not stick to the tray. So after I spray it, I'm gonna put the liver on this little tray here. And we only got 4 little pieces because the kids don't eat this. They won't eat it. So we're just gonna make this for us. And I'm just gonna put it back down so it won't get all over the place. And I'm just gonna do the other pieces right quick. So as you can see, get my little piece here. Put a little more seasoning on.
Oh, no, sir. No, sir.
Pay no attention to the noise in the background. Just my husband. He's a streamer. So
no, sir. No, sir.
you might hear some violent outbursts back there. But it's okay. Right. So now, a little bit. Would you like to hold the camera for me?
Okay.
So I won't have to do this by myself? Or do you want to help me? If you don't want to, okay.
Come here, man.
Just kind of, there you go. And lean it. I want to show the food, so kind of, there. Yep. So now you can see, thanks to my great daughter, Tiaja. So, all right. Now I'm going to season the back of this. And liver kind of stinks a little bit to me.
It smells
I guess
like
it's the blood
chicken.
on it. You taking the camera away? Is you gonna hold? Pay attention. There you go.
I know.
There we go.
It smells like chicken.
Yeah, it smells like blood to me. Blood.
Bloodthirsty.
All right, last
Oh my
piece.
I dropped this.
And I'm gonna need a piece of paper towel for grab my seasoning because my hands are totally gross. So I'm gonna do this. Bloop, 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 bloop. Get this nasty paper towel off of me. And I think I'm gonna end up using another tray because you want to leave space in between them. So after I finish making this one all good and floury, I am going to spray another tray so that we can use that one. I'm going to use this to spray because my hands are totally gross. Alright.
Got him.
And then I put this one on that.
Nah, they still over here. D-boy got his mic on, but yeah, it's still over
Actually,
here.
I'll probably do 2 up here.
Can you still see?
Yes. Put a little more flour, I think. But that'd be alright. And then I'm gonna move this one over here. That way it'll be enough room in between them. So what I'm gonna do now is wash my hands. So give me a quick second here, and I'll be right back. Pause. Okay, so I'm back. All right, so now I'm gonna show you guys because TA's just going, so I'm doing it on my own again. So we're gonna take and can I turn this camera around maybe? Hold on. Okay, so now we have the liver on our trays. And what we're gonna do is take this here Pam spray and we're gonna spray them, okay? The tops only for right now. Because what that's gonna do is help it fry, okay? Then, see I sprayed both. We're gonna take them, put them in this air fryer. Make sure that you have your drip pan in, which is this, because you're gonna have a lot of nasty cleanup if you don't. And also, make sure you're putting them in with this round in the front and the straights in the back, okay? And I'm gonna separate them a little so they can have plenty of room. And we're gonna go ahead and close this on up.
Come down the middle. I'm
Cut
down
this
the middle.
baby
man.
on.
I'm down the middle, amigo.
Now there's not a pre-setting for liver on here, so I'm gonna go with 375, and we're just gonna start with 15 minutes. And so we're gonna let that cook, and then we'll be back in 15 minutes while I prep the onions and the rest of my food. I'll be back. Okay, so it's been the 15 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and take this on out. And also, where is my spray? Okay. First, I'm gonna lay a napkin down here so I won't make my table all dirty.
Yeah. My grenade didn't kill that guy that's right beside you, though.
And we're gonna continue to ignore.
I say
The
how
guy
my
in the
grenade didn't kill him. I seen that grenade before you came. I've been seeing them.
Ooh, those look
That's
delicious.
crazy, bro. You supposed to been doing
Now I got to flip
Oh, they're not cooked.
Not yet. So you have to flip them over.
that. Bullshit.
Go ahead, I'll spray a little bit more because this one's still got a lot of flour on it. And we're gonna take and we're gonna flip them. Careful. If I can.
There's pieces of it that looks good.
Yeah, some of it.
No, I mean like on the grill.
Oh. Alright, let's flip that one. Now we'll put some spray up here. This side. And now you have to not forget to rotate them. So what I'm gonna do here is put this one up here. I'm gonna flip that one too, but I'm just gonna rotate them first. Put this one back down
I
here.
don't understand this.
Now take that one out. See, the bottom one is not that cooked as the other one is. If you guys noticed that. And now I'm gonna flip this one again. I mean, flip this one the first time. Uh-oh. This one might be a little bit sticky. But we're gonna make it. Oh, we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it off. And don't forget that the rack is hot, like I just did.
It didn't seem to be phased by it at all.
Yeah, it ain't burning too bad. Just your rack might be, they rack might be hotter than my rack, and they gonna be burnt. So I'm gonna spray this one again. Cause see, the flour is gonna help it fry. I mean, the spray is just helping it fry.
I thought it was helping it not stick.
It helps it not stick too, but it also helps it so it can turn brown. So, you know, like you get it out the oven.
Careful.
Now, we're going to put this one on back in. But we're going to make sure we put it on the rack like it's supposed to. And we're going to close this on up again. Cut it back on. Let us go to 4 maybe. I'm going to take it up a little bit. And then I'm going 10 minutes this time.
10.
And we'll be back.
Bye-bye.
Okay, so it looks like it's done. Maybe a little done. But let's see. Alright, so
I ain't even use my gammon bomb.
let me flip it over. Oh, see, this side gotta cook a little bit more,
What you
guys.
say, 2 done?
No, it's